Ay, naka-stranded ako. I'm here sa Cebu. Eto, may field trip. I'm sick. Ayan, may nagpapaliwanag. Makinig na lang. All this monument in the school. Sira kasi ang aking cam, kaya may video na lang ako. Ayun ang paliwanag. Ayun daw.
He has converted into Wala. Okay? And the rest follows when because in place of the Christianism, itaglaan mo sila si Queen Juana o gift. And that gift would be the Santo Niño. By the way, in the Santo Niño, it was introduced as Batang Holy or Holy Child or Baby Jesus. In such a way that holy is Santo. Baby or a child is Niño. That's why Santo Niño. Okay? So in that sense, guys, with Father Bangsama, since nga naman nasusunod yung mga Pilipino mga Christian sa Pilipinas, whereby together with Umaro na Amihan and the 800 villagers of Cebu, or the natives, hindi sila yung naman nila ang cross. Ang cross, by the way,